Are you ready? Is it on? Okay, hi everybody. This is Mrs. Henry. My daughter Emma is videotaping today. I want to show you an example of Punnett squares and using some of our vocabulary like genotypes, phenotypes, pure, hybrid, heterozygous, homozygous. There's a lot of vocabulary, and I do want to recommend you going back into those either Punnett square notes or genetics notes and taking a look at that vocab. Well, let's take a look at my example today. I've got a mom and a dad. And I'll let you know right now, the mom has blue eyes and the dad has brown eyes. Here are their alleles that they can pass on to their offspring. The mom has 2 alleles for blue eyes. Where did she get them? Well, she got one from her mom and one from her dad. This father has 2 alleles for eye color. He has one dominant brown eye gene that he got from one parent and a recessive blue eye gene he got from his other parent. Well, this mom and dad have a baby. Here's the baby. I'm going to tell you right now, the baby has brown eyes. That's the phenotype. So when we say phenotype, that means the color of the eyes. The genotype of the baby is big B, little b. I'm going to show you kind of how that could be. So take a look over here at my Punnett square. At the top, I'm going to let you know in my key that little b, the lowercase, that's recessive, blue eyes. Capital B, dominant, brown eyes. I am going to show you the chance that this little baby had of having brown eyes. I'm going to take mom's genes. She has 2 alleles for eye color, and I'm going to put them at the top. I'm going to take dad's genes and put them along the side. And these boxes here I'm going to fill in with my letters to show us the chance that that little baby had of having brown eyes. How do I do that? Well, the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to start at the top. I'm going to pull my little bees down. Oh, good girl. I'm going to pull my little bee down and my other little bee down. These are 2 little bees from mom. The second little bee I'm going to pull down here. The next one I'm going to pull down. Then I'm going to take dad's genes and I'm going to pull them from the left to the right. Capital B in the first box, pop it over, capital B in the second box. Dad's second allele for eye color, that recessive gene for blue eyes, I'll put in the first box, put in the second box. So now I've built a Punnett square to show the percent chance that this little baby had of having brown eyes. Each box is worth 25% chance of the baby having these different characteristics. What chance did the baby have of getting brown eyes? When you look at these boxes, any box with a capital B means that baby will have brown eyes because brown eyes is dominant. It's a capital letter. 1, 2 boxes. 2 times 25, that's a 50% chance that that baby was going to have brown eyes. And now we have a 50% chance, or 2 boxes, that that baby would have blue eyes.
I got a glue on.
Okay.
I can hold it.
Okay.
This is my pinky finger.
We're going to take a look at the questions on the next page. So if you want to, you could follow along and actually write this out for yourself. But I'm going to sort of hold it up as I look at the next page.
I'll hold it for you.
No, I need you to look at this, honey bear. Can you show the kids this right here?
I am.
Good.
Look.
All right, so I've got a couple questions, and we're going to use the questions. Hi. Hi. We're gonna use the Punnett square to answer my questions. So my first sentence, it says mom's genotype is blank for blue eyes. Mom's genotype. Well, when you look at mom over here, her genes are little b, so that's her genotype. Little b. She is pure or hybrid for eye color. Well, the mom has 2 little b's. She's pure for eye color. So I'm going to circle pure on my paper. Can they see that circle pure on there?
Let me point this down.
Good, I like it. Now, dad's genotype is blank for brown eyes. You got to keep it twisted like that, buddy. Well, when I take a look at my paper, here's dad's genes. He's got a capital and a lowercase.
No.
It's okay.
No, the cap for the glue.
He's capital lowercase, so he is hybrid.
Cap for the glue.
Actually, he's big B, little b. So he is heterozygous.
This is the glue.
And I hope this helps you with your work this week. And my children say hi.